Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be?
About yesterday, we are going on a beach day, her first beach day, y'all. And we're not with Rosalie because she is currently at her friend's house, and she also had her prom, y'all. She got prom coming up, so her and her friend are shopping. But yeah, here's the baby. I'm naming her Rose, kind of like Rosalie and royalty, but her name is Rose. So yeah, so yeah, we just going on her first little beach day, y'all. She got a little floaty. I put her in this like little white one piece, and then she got the same slides on as me. Cause me and Rosalie, we was wearing them for our birthday. And I was like, why not get the baby some, you know? We're like, we all got matching slides now. Rosalie's, hers is like pink because one day something had happened to her shoes and they had to get washed or whatever. And I guess she was washing them, and like when she was done washing them, for some odd reason, they turned pink. So, yeah, that happened. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we is at the beach, though. Bye, y'all. Yeah, y'all, so we just got to the beach. This is my fit, y'all. Yeah, with the sandals. Period. I decided to wear this since last video y'all was complaining. There was one complaint about my outfit. She's like, how you gonna tell your daughter not to wear this, but you're wearing that? Because Rosalie's literally only 15, y'all. So, how about you just like stay in your lane? Anyways, yeah, so I decided to wear this one. I thought it was really cute. We're about to get the baby out the car. Y'all, look at this little one piece. It's white and it's cute. We got the same sandals on. Her hands are so small, y'all. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for this new journey. Well, it already started. The new journey already started, y'all. I can't wait to see how she'll look when she's really older. Y'all, she look like me so much. She just don't got the glasses. But yeah. I'm gonna put y'all down real quick so like I can get our slides off, and then I'm gonna show y'all when we in the water. Bye, y'all. Hey, y'all, so I brought her some little Barbies to the pool. So we is playing with that. Y'all, is she drowning her Barbie? Oh. It's good that I got her a floaty. That's how she ain't drowning. Okay, you wanna play right here, Rose? Is that why you came over here? Look, look, Barbie. Rose, play with your Barbie, okay? Come on, y'all. This is cool. Yeah, this is really cool. Okay, well, y'all, that's it for our video today. Really hope y'all got to know more about Rose. Rose, come, please. Oh my gosh, y'all, she keep running away. Anyways, I really hope that I got to give y'all more perspective about Rose. And yeah, that's it. Bye, y'all.
It could have been, no, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the